The basic life support, also known by the acronym BLS First Aid, is a technique that can, in certain cases, be instrumental in saving the life of the person injured. The technique BLS, which includes the cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, is included in the sequence of the base support to vital functions. The rescue, after assessing the safety of the place where the patient is and where he must operate, starts the evaluation of the state of consciousness. If the patient doesn't respond, the rescue calls the number for medical emergency 118, stating that the patient is unconscious. The rescue places the patient on a rigid surface, usually the ground, with limbs and head aligned in the supine position, belly up, and with the chest open. After the assessment of the state of consciousness, he continues with the BLS maneuver. Once verified the patency of the airway and therefore the absence of objects that may obstruct the air passage, just to avoid a self-suffocation with the tongue, carry out the hyperextension. Put a hand on his forehead to bring back his head and 2 fingers under his chin to lift it. The hyperextension maneuver must not be violent or abrupt, but effective. After the phase of airway, this is necessary to check if the patient breathes. The ideal position to do it is pulling the rescue's cheek to the patient's mouth, about 3-5 centimeters. This maneuver is called gas. Look, listen, hear. Watch the movement of his chest, listen to his breath, feel the air flow on his cheek. This observation must be maintained for 10 seconds, keeping the patient's head hyperextended if you are sure of the absence of a trauma. While making the gas maneuver, press the index and the middle fingers on his carotid artery, located laterally to the Adam's apple, since it allows the perception of heartbeat even at a systolic blood pressure. The resuscitation consists of cardiac massage. Place your hands directly over his sternum, one above the other in the center of his chest. To avoid breaking his ribs, only the palms of your hands should touch the chest. To facilitate this contact, it may be useful to interlock the fingers and lift them slightly. Shift your weight towards the front, remaining on your knees until your shoulders are not directly over your heads. Keep your arms straight without bending your elbows. Move up and down with determination, pivoting on the dog.
Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Close the nose with one hand while the other extends the jaw to keep the mouth open. Blow twice and watch if the chest moves. Repeat 30 compressions and 2 insufflations until the arrival of the experts.